In this course, you will build a smart authentication device, using radio frequency identification, commonly known as RFID. The smart device that you build can identify the authenticity of an RFID tag, and open the gate autonomously. You will program the device to display the authentication message on the LCD screen real-time, and give a warning whenever a wrong RFID tag is shown. As part of the course, you will learn about the different systems, such as Arduino Uno board, RFID module, servo motors, and LCD display. The course also teaches you how to write programs on Arduino IDE, and to control hardware through software. The course is based on Skyfi Labs Learn, Do, Review methodology, which ensures your learning of technical concepts, in addition to building the project with your own hands, using the kit. A topic like automation can be learned only by building projects. And Skyfi Labs makes the process super easy for you. Kits required will be shipped to you within 24 hours. And you can finish the project within 1 week, from anywhere on Earth, and earn a certificate. With Skyfi Labs, you will not just build the project with a definite output, but also learn the concepts, so you can easily crack the interviews with confidence. Enroll today, and start learning by building projects.